Yo, what is up everybody? So me and my friends, we're about to go hit an overnight challenge at a water park. We saw one while we were driving by, so we decided we're gonna go down there. Dennis, what are you doing? So yeah, hopefully we don't get arrested. Last time we were here there was a lot of cops, so we couldn't do it, so hopefully this time it's a lot safer.
If anything, every man for themselves.
Every man for themselves, then? Are you sure, bro?
I won't rat you out, you guys won't rat me out.
Yo,
I feel like you're the one that's gonna get caught.
I got freaking snitched on so bad by everybody.
Wait, when did you get caught?
In the quarry, dude.
Wait, who snitched on you?
I was going to jail and that's his name.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
He got caught cliff jumping, kids.
Threw me under the bus.
Nah, bro, I won't rat on you, bro. For sure.
Right, I'm leaving.
Alright, boys, so we just arrived to the water park. I don't know if you can see it right now. We're about to jump the fence. Who's gonna go first? Here, I'll go first. Alright, make sure there's nobody over there. You guys hear that? Or is that thunder?
It's thunder, yeah.
That's thunder.
Come on, Mexican chick. Yo, Matthew, cops, get out of there.
Come on, David. Yo, no. He's a noob. You can't even climb a fence. Come on now.
I'll be the first one to run from it.
Alright, we're all good.
Yo, what happens if we're barefoot and drop some? We're gonna have to like...
Yeah, that's how we were last time.
How do y'all get over though? You step on this?
Yeah, step on that. It's hot. It's kind of hard, but you should do it more in the corner.
Hey, look over.
Yo, the best place to hide is over here though, Dennis. David. Right behind the tables. Yeah, they won't see you there. Alright, bro, I want to hop in first. How deep is it?
It's like 12 feet deep.
That's not deep.
Bruh. It's like 3 feet, dude.
Hit the bottom.
Bro, it's 2.5 feet.
Oh man, dude, it's perfect.
The water's nice.
Think about it. Throw your shirt and go. Go. Send it.
Hey, I'm moving.
Bro, you're taking too
Why did the
long.
lights come off? Why did the lights just turn off?
Oh, that's sketchy. That's sketchy. Yo, what's that sound?
It's the pumps.
Literally all the lights in the park just turned off, bro. That's so sketchy.
Yo, go get our shoes just in case. Like, what if...
Is the water getting drained?
Dude, it's the pumps.
Why? Yo, the last time, I'm being honest, we were here last time around 12 o'clock and all the lights were on the whole time.
Get in.
I mean, that's even better. They won't be able to see us.
Let's go.
Are you gonna send it this time or are you gonna lie to me?
Bro, we're sending it.
Alright, send it.
Currently sending it.
Oh, let's go, boys. Full send. We legit can't run anymore. We're in the middle of the water. So let's go on the water slide before we get caught.
There's no water in the water slide.
Oh snap. Hey, let's send it up there. They don't have water up there, so we're gonna fill up a trash can with water.
Yo, this is that guy's stick, right?
What stick?
It's a stick.
It's a stick that they're gonna beat you when they catch you.
Beat trespassers with.
Go.
Parking lot's pretty empty.
Yeah, we should be good, bro.
What are y'all trying to do?
These literally have no water in it. Yeah, we're gonna get a trash can, fill it up all water, and just throw it straight down. And just send it.
Is there like a button we could click to turn everything on?
I wish.
All the controls down there, I remember when we used to do like break time.
But it's closed.
But they're all locked. We already checked. Yeah.
You checked?
Yeah. It doesn't work.
It's working.
No, it doesn't. You're stuck now. Oh my.
I'm so cautious.
Alright, let's go get the trash can. Yo, let's get the trash can.
Let's take a piss.
That's disgusting. Take a piss, you'll go down faster.
Alright,
Dennis, you ready, bro? You ready, bro? We'll send you some water down right now. Hey, meet us at the bottom. Let's go get the trash can. Alright guys, we just checked the water slides. They literally have no water in it. So we're gonna go get some trash cans, fill it up with some water, and just manually do it, you know? You gotta send it, David. Bro, do you hear Dennis? He's like rubbing the water slide.
He's still not down. He's been taking it up. Dennis, you need some double? You need some WD-40? Yeah. I need 10 WD-30.
Dennis, let's go, bro. Let's go.
Yo, dude, that was the scariest thing I have ever done.
In the dark.
I don't even like to slide on the water.
Hey, look, there's a trash can right there, bro. Look, you see it? Let's go get it. Or let's get one back there so we don't set any motion detectors off. There's literally an office right there, so we don't want to set any alarms off. So we're gonna stay away from that side. All right, let's go down there and we'll find a trash can. All right, Dennis got the trash can.
Oh my god, that's loud.
We're literally about to go fill this bad boy up with water and take it up to the water slide. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Fill that bad boy up. There we go. There we go.
Don't drag it. There he is.
Oh man. Chop chop, boys.
We got like 2 people, bro. We're like going up the stairs, a couple. Like, what do we do?
Oh, bro. If a cop pulled up and just sees us carrying a trash can.
It's easier to see us here than over there by the wall.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, we could just hide in the water slide, okay?
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, hey, put the board in the middle and someone has to jump on it.
Where do you run from? I'll do it.
All right, bet. Put it in the middle. Yeah, definitely. You're gonna send it, David? No way. You better land on it, bro.
Make sure you don't like make it go between legs.
Oh, true. Hold on, let me see how like slippery it is. And like,
No, you're good. You're good.
I'll push it off myself. Don't fall back. Oh, that's fine. Put it like somewhere right there. Oh shoot, that's far. Oh, no, a little bit further. Alright, watch out.
Are you ready? Oh my. You good, bro?
Gosh, it's slippery.
That hurt? That's more views. That's more views. Did you get injured?
I had zero grip. I slipped. Dude, I freaking hit my elbow bad.
That actually hurt it? I thought you were kidding, bro.
Bored, dude. Oh my gosh, dude, there's no grip on it.
Waterpark gone wrong. Injured.
Yo, call the cops.
I'm not gonna lie. Dave, you gonna do it?
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna hit the ground so hard.
Dennis jumped off. No way. He was kidding? Bro, why'd you do that? I had a heart attack. I was in literally the middle of nowhere. You're in the water. I can't just jump. Yo, hey, David, jump off of me now.
At least we got on film that you wussied out and you ran away.
We're gonna cut that out.
Nah, keep it in.
I'm kidding. Let's go. All right, jump, bro. Send it.
You're gonna hit the bottom.
No, you're not. You're not gonna hit it. You're not gonna hit it, bro.
Look how slippery it is, yo.
You're not gonna hit anything.
Hold up.
Don't be scared, bro.
Let me check how deep it is first.
Oh my.
Like, wait. Bro, this is shallow.
Exactly. You're gonna.
It's 4 feet. You're good.
Shut up.
I need some like clickbait.
Push it in, David. Push it in.
Don't wanna?
No. At least jump in first and then push it in. Bro, what are y'all doing? Yo.
Pull it out. Holy, this is heavy.
Bro, that's gonna fall on you, bro. What are you doing? Are you good, bro?
Pull it. Just yank it. Just yank it. Just yank it.
Bro, y'all are wilding. Zapasta. Sure, jump off, bro.
Who did this before?
Dennis. Yo, it's got one more time to go.
Yeah, but there's a...
You're supposed to do a cannonball. You're supposed to do a cannonball.
You're not supposed to do a cannon.
He jumped with his feet. He jumped with his feet, bro.
No, do a freaking dive.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Yo, honestly, look, we got so much good clips here, and I literally forgot to click record half the time. So like, I don't know what we got. I don't know how this video is gonna be. No. I don't know how this video is gonna be. If we're gonna have good clips or not. It might suck, it might not. But hopefully it doesn't. It was a lot of fun, guys. Literally, we had so much fun flooring it down there. Swimming, doing backflips, front flips. Our other friend, David, he got hurt a little bit. So yeah, hopefully everything was good. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like it, subscribe, and I'll try to make them better as they come. Like this one was actually not that good, but hopefully they get better in the future. Alright, peace guys.